You might as well go through this pane with me. It's got a new door and a new bonnet. Let's open them up. See what we got. The last door from Heritage was rubbish and I had to go back. Big unveiling of a rubbish door. Well packaged. I'm doing this because the last door I got, I want proof that this isn't damaged or it wasn't damaged when it came out of the box. You see that? You can see that. You see it? No actual dents in this one, which is good. £410 and 92 pence plus the VAT for a door they can't even make properly. Savage. 160 quid plus the VAT for the bonnet. Let's see if that's any good. You are joking me. Actually right that. Right, door hinges, door hinges. There. You see all that rust? Nice. I just want to show you what the difference is. That and that. Actually unbelievable. Do they actually quality control this stuff when it comes out of the shop? Oh! Hopefully the door fits and I can spray it Sunday. So difficult to see, isn't it? Door needs to go up a bit, but the gaps are actually alright on that. So yeah, all good.
quick explanation. So the ERA turbo, the actual turbo itself is at the back of the engine, between the engine and the bulkhead, and it gets very hot underneath the bonnet. So when ERA designed the ERA Turbo Mini, they put 6 holes in the back of the bonnet, which were sways for strength and allowed it to cool the underbonnet temperatures, or allow the hot gases to get out from underneath the bonnet. So Mark's drilling the holes, and then he's going to use a swaging tool or a dimple die tool, which adds some strength to the bonnet. Unfortunately, Heritage don't make an ERA bonnet, so you have to modify a standard one.
Right, where have I got a bit of cluey? Bingo! I'd say that was pretty good.
Right, I've muted the sound a little bit and played around with the equalizer to take away some of the high-pitched tones here, because when I played it back, that sound of that file speeded up was like the dentist drill. It actually hurt. So hopefully it's a bit better. I have changed the format of this video a little bit on the ERA recently, than just not always having the background music, trying to give a bit more explanation because Mark's getting a bit more involved now, and hopefully just change up the format a little bit. I've got to say, watching this video, I've never seen anyone as unlucky as Mark with new panels being damaged. I think he has unfortunately been really unlucky there. So if you've got this far into the video, I've not said it for a while now, but if you are enjoying the videos, you're not a subscriber, please do consider subscribing. And if you enjoy this video, then please, a thumbs up is always nice.
I need a big bolt. What can I bring this bolt out? I'm actually really pleased with that actually. I thought I could be getting another bonnet, to be honest. Yeah, that come out a lot better than I expected. So yeah, well happy with that. Good for spraying.